Sellwood has an amazing mix of old Portland charm and new creative energy. It's the kind of place where designers, families, and entrepreneurs can all find their rhythm. Surrounded by neighborhood cafes, local studios, and some of the most character-filled homes in the city. Today, we're going to be exploring why Sellwood is one of Portland's most desirable neighborhoods, and I am also going to be sharing 3 wonderful listings that are for sale within the Sellwood area. So Sellwood is a neighborhood that is really unique. It was first developed by a religious community back at the turn of the century. Over the years, it has grown to be a popular neighborhood for creatives. Some of Portland's most well-known musicians live here, architects, artists, designers. And I believe one of the reasons why Sellwood has that is because it is on the southeast side. You're right on the Willamette River. You have the Sellwood Bridge running over to the southwest side. So once you get over the Sellwood Bridge, you are about 10 to 15 minutes to downtown. You're about 10 minutes to John's Landing, which is a fabulous, vibrant neighborhood. And then just up the mountain, you have OHSU and you have Nike. And so it's a way to have that Portland lifestyle while also being so close to everything. I'm gonna take you through some best-known cafes. I'm also gonna show you some restaurants. There's a ton of antique stores and vintage stores here in Sellwood as well. This is a video that really celebrates the neighborhood of Sellwood. There's gonna be minimal talking, except for this, and also when I show you the 3 listings that are available. Thank you so much, and let's have a great time in Sellwood. This first home is a beautifully restored gem in the heart of Sellwood. It is full of warmth, craftsmanship, and thoughtful updates. You're greeted by a welcoming living room with its traditional era banister, a remodeled kitchen and bath, and 3 cozy bedrooms upstairs. Outside, the rebuilt front porch is perfect for morning coffee, and the fenced backyard is ideal for summer gatherings. At just over 2,100 square feet and listed at $722,000, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home captures everything walkable, character-filled, and move-in ready. If you'd like to see the inside of this home or learn more about this listing, please scan the QR code that appears on the screen right now, or you can text or call me at 503-597-8660. I would love to take you on a tour of this home and fabulous neighborhood. Just a few blocks away, this home offers something truly unique. CM2 zoning right off of the vibrant 13th Avenue. That means it's perfect for creatives who want to blend home and work life, from design studios to small retail or consulting spaces. Inside, you'll find original hardwoods, tons of natural light, and an open living and dining layout that feels bright and inviting. With 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, and nearly 1,900 square feet, this home is listed at $585,000. If you would like to learn more about this home, please scan the QR code that appears on the screen now. You can also text me at 503-597-8660. I would love to take you on a tour and show you around this fabulous home, and even more, the fabulous Sellwood. Those of you who want something newer and low maintenance, these beautifully designed townhomes deliver modern style and unbeatable convenience. Just steps from the river, cafes, and parks, these homes feature tall ceilings, sleek finishes, and an open concept layout that's perfect for easy living. With 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and pricing from $370,000 to $400,000, it's a great way to live in Sellwood without giving up modern amenities. Plus, they come with a 1-year builder warranty for peace of mind. If you want to see inside these homes, just like the other 2, there's going to be a QR code on the screen that's going to give you all the information from the RMLS about these homes. In addition to that, you can always call and text me at 503-597-8660. I would love to take you on a tour of these homes. Thank you for spending the day with me here in Sellwood. We love helping people discover everything this amazing Portland neighborhood has to offer. Whether you're buying, selling, or relocating to this fabulous city, we'd love to be of service. You'll find all of our contact information in the description below, and you can always call or text us at 503-597-8660. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you soon.